Northwest Truck Detailing Incorporated. If you're a truck owner, then you already understand the importance of maintaining your vehicle's mechanics and cosmetics. At Northwest Truck Detailing, we provide professional buff, wax, and aluminum polishing services. We can restore your dull-pitted aluminum to its original shine, protect your paint against oxidation and road debris, and give your truck a younger, sharper appearance. We take the time to make your truck shine. Northwest Truck Detailing Incorporated. Only when you want it done right. Call now, 253-227-8377. That's 253-227-8377.